Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. Fill in the blanks. Two vertices of triangle ABC are given by A minus 9, minus 12 and B minus 12, minus 6 and its centroid is G minus 9, minus 7. The coordinates of the vertex C are. Now we know centroid of a triangle GXY is given by x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3, where a x1 y1, b x2 y2 and c x3 y3 are coordinates of vertices, all three vertices. So we know G, A and B, we have to find the value of C. So let's put the values here. We have minus 9 comma minus 7 equal to minus 9 minus 12 plus x3 divided by 3 comma minus 12 minus 6 plus y3 divided by 3. So to find value of x3 and y3, we simply equate x coordinate with x coordinate and y coordinate with y coordinate. So let's do that. We start with x. Minus 9 equal to minus 9 minus 12 plus x3 divided by 3 and minus 7 equal to minus 12 minus 6 plus y3 divided by 3. So let's see what we have. We have 9 threes are minus 27 equal to 9 minus 12 is minus 21 plus x3 and 7 threes are minus 21. So minus 12 minus 6 is minus 18 plus y3 divided by 3 is not there. So let's see, we get x3 equal to minus 27 plus 21 and we get y3 equal to minus 21 plus 18. So we have x3 equal to minus 6 and y3 equal to minus 3. So this is the answer. Coordinates of C are minus 6 comma minus 3. Minus 6 comma minus 3.